We, however, regret to inform you that due to my brother's poor health, because of the emotional and physical stress that he's been experiencing, we apologize for cutting the concert short.
It's okay, it's okay.
My brother had to be rushed to the hospital for medical attention. Again, we apologize and thank you, all of you, for coming here tonight.
Bye-bye. We love you, Ellie!
I love you, Ellie!
We don't know what to say na we're in shock, so sana maging safe kayo pauwi. Nandito po yung promoters para sabihin po yung details. Sir.
Si Ellie nasa hospital na ngayon, and we would like to end this evening with a prayer. Let's all pray in silence for at least 1 minute. Maraming salamat po at we continue to pray for his quick recovery. Thank you very much.
Everybody, go home safe. Drive safe.